Get up, it's time to do farm chores. What in the hell are you eating? Are you eating an egg up here, you nasty? Get your little raggedy ass. Get out of her damn hay. Y'all, this is not the Winter Olympics. Get out my damn barn. Sister, get out the damn feed. That is, sis, no ma'am. No ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. No, this is what we're not gonna do. Fluffy, don't do it. Don't do it, Fluffy. 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 Miss Ma'am. Miss. Fluffy is watching you. You better get down. Get down, get down. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Hey Fluffy, how you doing, girl? The queen on her rightful throne.